Enjoy the view of this 2014 Chevrolet Tahoe. With less than 200,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Chevrolet Tahoe, the full-size SUV that has the space, power, amenities, and technology you need to tackle a challenge in comfort and style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, navigation system, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, heated rear seat, cooled front seat, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, satellite radio, backup camera. Why not drive the premium vehicle you want that has the hard-working capabilities you need? Get behind the wheel of the Tahoe.